Triggs.
It's buzzing all around me, Maddie.
It's only a fly. Just leave it alone.
Oh, I can't. I have to chase it out. Buzz, buzz, all around, making that annoying sound. I'm sorry, fly, you'll have to go. I'll chase you here to the bed, through the wardrobe. Watch my head, I'll show you right out the window.
Trix, it's just a fly. What's up with you?
Chasing's in my nature, it's what dogs do. The fly's on the wall, here goes. Oh!
I guess that's just what dogs do.
Oh!
What's going on in here?
Trix ran into the wall again.
You what?
But I still didn't get the fly out.
There's a fly in the room. Right, I'll sort this. I have an excellent technique. I call it the waft and shoe.
The waft and shoe?
Lend me a comic, Maddie.
Dad, leave the fly alone. Oh no, not again.
Fly, fly, all around I'll follow that buzzing sound. I'm an expert shoer, you know. With a flap, with a twist, I'll waft and shoe with my wrist. Show this pesky fly where to go.
Out the window!
But Dad, come on, do you have to?
Yes, it's in my nature and what I do. So goodbye, fly, so long, adieu.
I guess that's just what you do.
Oh, good job, Mr. S. You got the fly out.
Of course I did. Waft and shoe works every time.
Well, at least things are finally quiet.
Wait,
What is it, Trix?
I can still hear a buzzing.
That's impossible. I shut the window.
But the window in my room is still open. Woof, woof.
Uh-oh.
Yes, the fly is in my room. Oh, no, wait, it's on the move. It's in the hall now. And now it's...
Trix, you've chased the fly back into my bedroom.
Oh, sorry, Maddie.
Looks like we're back to square one. Maybe we should join forces, Triggs. We could waft and chase.
Oh, waft and chase. Good idea, Mr. S.
No, it's a terrible idea. And please stop saying waft.
Huh?
Look, I know it's in your natures. Trix chases, Dad sorts things out. But did anyone stop to ask the fly what they think?
No?
Buzz, buzz, love that sound and lets me know you're around as you explore merrily. Buzz to you, friendly fly, you like to dance, so do I. We're so alike, Buzz, you and me.
Doesn't that fly bother you too?
No, it's in my nature. And making friends is what I do. You like my comics and my room. Well, I like to sing a happy tune. I'll make sure no harm comes to you. I guess that's just what I do. Buzz, buzz, happy sound, it lets me know you're around. You know you're welcome to stay. But you say it's time to fly away. Bye! Enjoy exploring new places!
Sorry for chasing you.